We have a 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 pickup with a 5.3. We've got catback system with the V-tube single chamber muffler, looking all stock up front on a brand new truck. We removed the factory bezels and put these quad black tips on it, as you can see. It's a Black Widow edition. Real pretty truck. Let's see what it sounds like.